Hey guys, this will be the final day of the 4.5 log stuff. Let's end with how to use a calculator to do the change of base formula. So before we can even do that, let's talk about what the change of base formula is. So I'm using a mouse and keyboard, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But the change of base formula is a pretty important thing. What it allows us to do is use the calculator to find any log, no matter what the base is. Now, as we talked about before, let me pull out the calculator first. As we talked about before, you have log, which is base 10 if you don't see the number, and ln, which is base e. But as a lot of our problems before, sometimes we have like log base, I don't know, 3 to the 11. Now, if you notice on this calculator over here, there's no log base 11. That's a big issue. So we're like, well, there's no log base 3 on this. There's no log 3 button. So in order to do that, we're going to use something called the change of base formula. So the change of base formula is that I'm going to separate these two things as two separate logs being divided. So I can rewrite this as log 11 over log 3. So the base of your log becomes the denominator of the fraction, while the normal number becomes the numerator. So let's do one more example. So here's the general example with like variables. So log of b for base, let's say a for a normal number. Doesn't really make sense, but whatever. Log a over log b. So if I wanted to figure out what log base 311 is, I take my calculator and I click log 11 divided by log 3. My answer is 2.18265. I probably would just ask you for two decimal points. So this one is 2.18. Okay, so the change of base formula should be pretty simple. All you do is take the base of the exponent or the base of the log, and it becomes the denominator of your fraction, while your normal number becomes the numerator. So I'm going to do 3 questions from the homework, and let's try that out. Let me just get my calculator going. So let's do numbers 45, 46, and 47. So 45, I want to rewrite it as log, well, right now it's log base 4, 7. I'm going to rewrite it as log 7 over log 4. So let's go back here, and then let's put this up. So then that was, what I said, log 7 over log 4. So I literally click log 7. It's important to close the parenthesis, because if you don't, then it thinks that the divided by log 3 is inside, and you don't want that. So divided by log, was it 4, I believe? Yeah, 4. So press enter. Your answer for this one is 1.41. 1.4, oh, I'm sorry, because it doesn't really round up. All right. Next one, log base 5, 13. Log base 5, 13. Rewrite that as log 13 over log 5. A good question you might ask is like, so how do we show our work on this if it's just calculator? You write this part right here. You write this part right here. And then I know your calculator is working because you could just type it in. Log 13 over log 5. 1.59. Okay. Last one, I did promise 3 though. Log 3, 15. Log base 3, 15 equals log 15 over log 3. That becomes, then we take our calculator, log 15 over log 3, 2.46. 2.46. So guys, what I hope this does is help you understand how to do your calculator, and you can find any base and any log with the change of base formula. So the change of base formula, just a reminder, is that you make the base of the log divided by the base of this, while the normal number to be here. With that in mind, I want you guys to try your best. I'm going to have a Zoom later for both this lesson and for yesterday's lesson. It's going to be around 3:10, I believe. Otherwise, have a wonderful day and stay safe.